Have you ever wondered why okra is a key ingredient in gumbo? Let's uncover the history and science behind this classic dish. Gumbo, an iconic Louisiana dish, often includes okra as a natural thickener that gives the stew its signature texture. Okra's subtle flavor is similar to eggplant. Okra acts as a thickening agent in gumbo due to its mucilaginous properties. This helps create the rich, velvety consistency that is characteristic of this dish. When selecting okra for gumbo, look for firm pods with an evenly colored surface and avoid any signs of soft spots or damage. Okra is best when small and fresh. Okra has origins in Ethiopia, where it was cultivated thousands of years ago before spreading across the world, eventually becoming a staple in Southern cuisine. While gumbo can be made without okra by using filet powder ground sassafras as leaves, traditionalists argue that authentic gumbo must include either okra or filet for its true taste. In summary, okra plays a crucial role in gumbo by thickening the stew and adding subtle flavor. Its unique properties make it an essential ingredient for authentic gumbo. So, next time you enjoy a bowl of gumbo, remember the importance of okra in creating that distinctive texture and flavor. What other ingredients do you think should be included in this dish? Share your thoughts.